Hello students, in this lecture we are going to study about nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones with hydrazine. So addition elimination reaction with aldehyde and ketone. So aldehyde and ketone both contain carbonyl group. The formula of carbonyl group is C double bond O. When treated with NH2 hydrazine, formula of hydrazine is NH2 bonded with NH2. This reaction takes place in presence of weak acid, so H plus we can write on the arrow, and this reaction is reversible. First step is reversible. This hydrogen is added to the oxygen. The mechanism of this step already you studied in the last video, and nitrogen is added to this carbonyl carbon, and we get addition product. So what happen? How the addition takes place? See, these two single bonds around this carbonyl group as it is. This O is converted into OH by addition of hydrogen. Double bond is converted into single bond, and NH NH2. So this is the addition product formed in this reaction. Now this addition product or adduct further undergoes dehydration. So removal of water takes place, and finally we get the product. So this H2 is replaced from this addition product, and finally we get the dehydration product of this intermediate compound is nothing but, so this carbon doubly bonded with NH2. The name of this compound is hydrazone. So we get a corresponding hydrazone. If we take a example of aldehyde, so acetaldehyde, suppose we take an example of acetaldehyde, CH3 CHO, or this H I can write this side CH double bond O. When it is treated with hydrazine, NH2, the name of this compound is hydrazine. Hydrazine when treated with acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, the name of this aldehyde is acetaldehyde or ethanol. So when acetaldehyde or ethanol treated with hydrazine, formula of hydrazine is NH2NH2. This reaction takes place in weakly acidic medium. First step is reversible, and we get its addition product. So hydrogen is added to oxygen and nitrogen is added to carbon. We get its corresponding is CH3 as it is. To the oxygen hydrogen is added, and to the carbon nitrogen is added with NH2. Now by the removal of H2O we get its corresponding final product. So dehydration takes place, further dehydration takes place, so we can write on the arrow minus H2. Remaining product, so what is remaining? CH3CH doubly bonded with NH2. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. So we get its corresponding hydrazone compound. So acetaldehyde is converted into acetaldehyde or ethanol when treated with hydrazine. We get its corresponding hydrazone. So acetaldehyde hydrazone is formed when the addition elimination reaction takes place with NH2 means hydrazine. Instead of acetaldehyde, if we take a formula example of ketone, so first member of ketone is CH3CO. CH3CO, the name of this ketone is acetone. When it is treated with NH2NH2, means hydrazine. So same way addition takes place. Hydrogen is added to the oxygen, nitrogen is added to the carbon, and we get the addition product. This first step always takes place in presence of weakly acidic medium. So we can write H plus on the arrow. Now the addition product formed is CH3, CCH3 as it is. Doubly bonded O is converted into singly bonded OH. Further it is bonded with NH, NH2. This is the addition product, and in the second step it undergoes elimination. So removal of H2O takes place from carbon and nitrogen. So removal of H2O means dehydration takes place, and in the second step by the removal of water we get its corresponding final product. So product formed is CH3, CH3 doubly bonded with NH2. The name of this compound is acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone is formed from acetone. This is the first member of ketone. When it is treated with hydrazine, formula of hydrazine is NH2NH2. So when acetone is treated with hydrazine, we get its corresponding hydrazone, acetone hydrazone. So like this way we get in the first step addition product is formed, and in the second step finally elimination product formed. So this is about the addition elimination reaction with hydrazine. Now next type of reaction, number 3, reaction with phenylhydrazine. So formula of phenylhydrazine is phenylhydrazine. So formula of phenylhydrazine is NH2 NH C6H5. So this is the formula of phenylhydrazine. Now when this phenylhydrazine undergoes reaction with either aldehyde or ketone, what we get its products. Let's see. If we take an example of aldehyde CH3CHO, I can write a direct aldehyde example, acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde or ethanol. When treated with phenylhydrazine, so NH2 I can write in this form, NH2 NH C6H5, phenylhydrazine. This is the phenylhydrazine. When the reaction takes place in weakly acidic medium, the reversible reaction takes place, and in the first step addition product is formed. So addition takes place same way. The hydrogen is added to oxygen and nitrogen is added to carbon. We get addition product CH3 CH as it is to the oxygen. OH group is formed, double bond is converted into single bond, NH C6H5. So this is the intermediate addition product formed from the phenylhydrazine. Now further it undergoes elimination reaction. So removal of H2O takes place from this addition product. Elimination takes place, elimination of water molecule takes place. So removal of water we can write on the arrow minus H2O, and we get its corresponding final product. So CH3 CH as it is doubly bonded with NH C6H5. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. hydrazone. So hydrazine is finally converted into hydrazone. So this is about the final product, which is formed from acetaldehyde by the addition elimination reaction with phenylhydrazine. Finally we get acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Now if we take an example of ketone, so first member of ketone is acetone. When acetone is treated with CH3 COCH3, COCH3, this is the acetone. When acetone is treated with phenylhydrazine, so this is acetone CH3 COCH3 when treated with phenylhydrazine. Formula of phenylhydrazine is NH2NHC6H5. Always first step takes place in weakly acidic medium, so we can write H plus on the arrow. Reversible reaction takes place, addition of hydrogen to the oxygen and nitrogen to the carbon. Okay, so we get its addition product. So what do we get the addition product? This CH3CCH3 as it is, this OH oxygen is converted into OH group and double bond is converted into single bond with NHC6H5. This is the addition product. Addition of NH to NHC6H5 takes place. Now elimination takes place in the second step. Elimination of water takes place and we get the final product. So what do we get the final product? Let's see. So by the removal of H2O, so we can write a minus H2 on the arrow and we get finally CH3 doubly bonded with NHC6H5. The name of this compound is, what is the name of this compound? Acetone phenylhydrazone. So this is about the reaction with aldehyde and ketone. So if you like this video, give like, and to get more videos, you subscribe the channel.